Does shape really matter for you?
Oh, I swear. My brother, why say no matter? Nandus and the Magadus. Nandus there. Where they slim things there. Why say I go take it?
We don't want flat buttocks. We don't want what do you call it? Flat chest. You understand? We want a big chest, nice shape. With I mean, every guy.
Yeah, I'll go for a cute guy, someone who is nice with a six pack, a muscular guy. You understand? Yeah. Okay.
My name is Nia. What's your name?
I'm Poshi.
What do you do?
I work with an NGO.
If someone wants to locate the NGO, where do they go?
Okay, we actually located at Adenta. We work with the disabled. We feed the disabled on the street and then the less privileged in the society too. As you can see, they went to do a donation at Cycle, Medina, and then a whole lot of places. So we are just going home from our program.
Any name on his social media?
Oh, it's still there with same Rookin.
Can you just mention and spell it?
Rookin. It's, what's the spelling? ROKINC.
All right. Okay. So the question we're asking today, do you think size and shape really matter when it comes to relationship or starting a relationship?
Yes.
Why? Yes.
Size and shape really matters because to me, I want a girl. I want a guy who is tall, who is dark, and who is well built, like a guy who has muscles and stuff. One, because me, I always like to show off my guy, like, so as even my guy is shapeless or he has a pot belly and kind of Charlie, it's going to be embarrassing for me to even exhibit my guy. Yeah. And I know certain guys also like girls with big boobs, big back, you understand? Because if they don't, Charlie, what do you repeat now? Now the boy put on here, the best sticker. Bet you me, don't use your guy or your girlfriend for a sticker. I won't lie to you. So it's really matters in the relationship to me. Okay. But I don't think that should be the main aim of a relationship. But it matters in the relationship.
Yeah. So my name is Nyan. What's your name, sir?
My name is Silom Chamina.
Okay. What do you do?
I'm a machine technician.
All right. Okay. So we're asking, do you think size and shape really matter when it comes to relationship?
Yes, I said earlier, to some people, yes. And yes, because somebody may be looking at a lady, okay, this lady, this is what I want from this lady. And that's what maybe will attract him to the lady. Maybe her booms, her backside, or and so on. Maybe, and that's that sort of things. But to some people to know in the sense of, because maybe when you go in there for a lady, and he has all the thing, and doesn't know maybe home manners or kind of how to even take care of the house or take care of the manner. That kind of your beauty wouldn't allow the man to get attached to you. But if you know how to take care of the man, whether you have your maybe you have the beauty or like the shape and everything, and you don't have that house manners. Maybe you see a beautiful lady who has everything, but when you take the lady to the house, even how to maybe to welcome the man when the man has come from work, yes, it's a problem. And even if the man brings a visitor home, how to even to welcome them to, it's another problem. But you see somebody, the lady, without anything, not having shape, not having anything, but how he responds to the man, oh, dear, how are you? How was work? Even that maybe when the man is maybe stressful, maybe you know how to calm the nerves of the man down. So now I would say that in maybe shape or doesn't really matter when it comes to relationship.
My name is Nia. What's your name?
My name is Kate.
Okay. My dear, what's your name?
I'm Selena.
I can't see you. Just come closer a little. Selena.
Yeah.
All right. So the question is, does size and shape really matter when it comes to relationship?
Yes, it does.
What about you?
Yes, yes.
So why does it matter?
Okay, guys of today, what they want is shape and boobs and butts and shape. So yes, it matters because guys of today, that's what they want. That's what they see. They go for what they see. They don't want the inner beauty anymore. All they want is the outer beauty and stuff. But there is more to that, boobs and the size and the shape and everything.
Okay. So my name is Nia. What's your name?
My name is Ike.
Ike. Okay. Please, what's your name?
My name is Nanam.
Okay. So the question is, do you think size and shape really matters when it comes to relationship?
Size and shape doesn't matter.
Oh, okay. What about you?
That means the same thing also.
Okay. So why?
Yeah, because you have to follow your heart. It doesn't matter whosoever and the sizes or the shapes. Love comes and you just pick that spot immediately. So it doesn't matter the shape. Like the way she looks. That is it.
All right. What about you? What's your take on that?
Yeah, what I call it. In this life, you need to choose what you think you'll be free. Not what others say or what people think about you whatsoever. In this life, it's about your heart, as you're saying. Fine. For me also, I follow my heart. I don't care what somebody will think about, well, this guy is very short, is not so much handsome, and is somehow ugly. No, for me, I'll not think on that. I'll think about the future, at least the purpose of the person why we meet. At the same time also, the future of the person, where it's going to end. Find God first, as we all know, and at the same time also, that's what I'm saying, it's not about the handsomeness. So as you are you are a lady that you are upcoming lady. You just need to just have time, pray, and communicate with God. If you meet a man, this and that, pray to God that if this man, my partner or my
The person that is
yes, something like that, not somebody whereby you just follow up property or material things. No, that one, it will not take you anywhere. You need to go up for the future. The future matters. And you need to pray also if you meet a person first time that the two of you meet. You need to first pray. The first time that you meet the person, pray and communicate with God. At the same time, then you see that, oh, maybe this guy can move with this guy. Because that will be the best way as a lady who is getting up to a relationship.
Wow, interesting.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And what's your name?
My name is Nature Smith.
Okay. We're asking on the street. Does shape and size really matter when it comes to relationship?
I swear, a matter of.
Why does it matter?
Look at me like this.
Okay.
We have been slim like this. Why is that go take slim girl like me?
Does shape really matter for you?
Oh, I swear. My brother. Why say no matter? Nandus and the Magadus. Nandus stay there. Where they slim things there? Why say I go take?
What's your name?
Eric. No, call me Offer.
Wafa.
Yeah, Offer.
Wafa, do you think shape and size really matter when it comes to relationship?
It matters a lot.
Why does it matter?
And the reason why I'm saying so is that when you take, let's say, 100% of people, guys in Ghana here, as I'm talking to you right now, when you take 100% of guys, 95% will tell you that shape matters a lot in the relationship. Because right now, what we know in Ghana here, as a guy, whenever you wanted to call a girl, we just look at the girl and say, this particular girl, no, she's nice, but no, she doesn't have a shape. No, this girl is something, this girl doesn't have a shape. No. Me, I want a girl, even if it's a slim girl, I want a girl with a shape, with a very nice shape and a flat stomach. You understand? So we guys right now, as we are in the system, we prefer such ladies more than anything else in our life. Because when you are working with those type of girls, we enjoy it, we like it. That's the reason, because of that reason why some of the ladies, they even go for this kind of, the body enlargement. Yes, simply because they want their shape to become nice. We don't want flat buttocks. We don't want, flat chest. You understand? We want a big chest, nice shape.
My name is Nia. What's your name?
They call me Nino Kojodazi.
Does shape and size really matter?
It doesn't.
Why doesn't it matter?
According to the Bible, 1 Peter chapter number 3, verse 1 down, it says that it's not about your makeup and your beauty that you are going to put on will change your husband, but it's all about your character, your attitude. That is going to change a man, or it's going to let a man love you. So to me, shape, size, it doesn't matter. What really matters in a relationship is your character, your attitude. So many girls doesn't know how to treat their guys or their husbands at home. So I know so many girls that they are very beautiful, pretty, but when they go to marry, they come back home.
So personally, to you, what's your take on that?
As in,
Shape and size, does it matter to you? shape and size, does it matter to you personally?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't matter to me.
Why doesn't it matter?
Because it's about the heart. If you love someone, why should you love the person because of his shape and size? Love is from the heart. If you love someone, you love the person from the heart. You oversee all those shape and everything.
So you won't go in for a guy with a six packs, the muscles, his height.
No.
What will you go for?
I'll go for someone who will love me for who I am, and I also love him for him. I'll go for love. Love, yeah.
Thank you so much for having me.
You're welcome.
Okay, so what do you think should be the main aim of a relationship?
I think your future should be the main aim. You should plan for the future in a relationship. But despite all that, the size and shape matters.
So you go in for the six pack, the tall, muscular.
Yeah, I'll go in for a cute guy, someone who is nice with a six pack, a muscular guy. You understand? Yeah. Okay.
All right. So if you get opportunity to advise people who are in a relationship, especially the youth, what best will you tell them?
Okay, I was in a relationship. You shouldn't criticize or shouldn't underestimate your relationship because of your guy or your girlfriend's shape. Rather, you should look at the future because nobody knows tomorrow. If you have a girlfriend or you have a boyfriend who you think is not good for you, just groom that person into who you want that person to be for you. But rather, don't underestimate the person. That's it.
All right. Thank you so much for having you.
Thank you too.
Wow. Okay. I think you are married, right?
Yes, I just got married on the 5th of this month, December.
Oh, okay. Then congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. So since you are now, I think you have a little experience. So if you have the opportunity to advise people who are in a relationship, what best will you tell them?
Okay. My advice to them is in a relationship, before you go in, maybe to both the sexes, whether male or female. Okay, I would say that they should, I say in everything, God first. Yeah, in everything, God first. Because you can't bypass God and do what you want. Because it's God who gives everything. Beauty or no beauty. Because it is one God, yes. It is God who created all of us. So God first. And the second thing is trust. Because without trust, you cannot go into a relationship. And the third one too is truth. You must be truthful to each of yourself. Yes, the two of you. And the second two, the other one too is transparency. Transparency and love.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
So in terms of your size and shape, what will you go in for?
I go taste big things. Okay. Something big. Where something I go feel fast. Now I would say I will taste slim things. Something like me. Nothing. Go bring anything.
Okay.
I don't want to take something big. I say yes. I take something big. I will say yes. If they work class me, I know say yes. If somebody will say yes, somebody say get this. I say yes. My get this.
All right. Okay.
Slim there.
Okay.
Nothing better.
Okay. Thank you for talking to us.
Oh, I did there always. Nature's me they talk.
Will you go in for a lady with a good character without a shape, or a lady with good shape but with no good character?
The reason is, if you talk about character is something that it comes with a person, but you can even make somebody, you can change somebody. You understand? I can go in with, they used to say maybe or like the girl is nice but it doesn't have a character. No. If you are able to train the girl well, the character will come. So,
but because to me personally, I feel like if the lady is having a particular kind of character for so many years, how can you come in within a short time to change something she has lived with for so many years?
So many years. Oh yes, I agree with you that it is not easy. It's very difficult for you to change somebody who has been in the system for so many years, and now you have gotten the person, you wanted to change the person. But it can be done. It can be done.
Because they don't know how to take care of their husbands and their boyfriends, But to me, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. Shape, size, to me, no. What really matters is the character, the attitude. It's in the Bible, so go and do your checkup.
You said it all. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.